The heart of Pultrusion Industries. Kana Advanced Composite Industries. Pultrusion is a continuous production process for manufacturing fiber-reinforced composite profiles. The reinforcement, consisting of roving and fabrics, are pulled through a die where the fibers are impregnated by resin, heated and cured in required shape. The profile is structurally stable and ready for further processing immediately after leaving the die. Kana Advanced Composite Industries, presenting world's best technology, reciprocating pultrusion, Kana 12. Kana Composite is a manufacturer of Kana brand, high quality, high performance and low maintenance pultrusion machines and equipment. Our machines are built using one of the best technology available in composite world with low cost. The company philosophy is to engineer pultrusion machines to exceed the customer's expectations. In addition to the machine specifications, Kana Composite can design and build customized pultrusion machines as per customers' requirements and product specification requirements. Well-experienced team will support to develop new product and new processing parameter for better product in various matrix system like polyurethane, epoxy, phenolic and unsaturated polyester. Kana Composite has established itself as a developer in the composites industry and positioned itself as the leading global supplier of composite materials, engineering services and composite machineries. Over 7 years experience in the practical application of composites and engineering across various projects, combined with a unique technical approach, enables Kana to offer the complete processing of composite solution. Kana Composite is engaged in manufacturing and supply of pultrusion composite machineries, resin prepreg and composite products of industries such as transportation, sport, chemical, railways and infrastructure sectors meeting global quality levels. Kana brand pultrusion machine is made up hydraulic clamped puller, electric heater, electric control box and optional device cutter, fabric slitter and resin mixer. FRP pultrusion machine with different kinds of molds can produce different profile such as FRP pipes, rod, tube, etc. Die and heating zone. The die station is movable in up and down directions via the adjustment system. 2 to 6 heating zone with easy handling heater system make multi-die adjustments for better product profile. All heaters will be controlled by the PID controller. Pulling and gripping system. Pulling and gripping force is provided by a reliable and powerful twin puller auto hydraulic system. Smooth and continuous operation is made possible by the flow and propositional derivative valve controls that are regulated by the PLC. An integral water-cooled oil heat exchanger unit is installed to maintain safe operating temperatures and to ensure long system life. Although the hydraulic system is largely computer controlled, the operator is still capable of controlling system pressure, puller pressure and gripper pressure with speed. Control and measurement system. Total system control can be done by standard make PLC HMI to operate the machine. Digital readout and control for the pulling speed, heating temperature of the die, cutting length etc. by PLC system with computer communication. Synchronizing and accurate speed linear scale with high resolution is provided to give the accurate feedback to the functionalized closed loop PID valve and maintain the constant speed irrespective of the load. Resin impregnation and creel rack. Resin baths that hold thermoset resin at the beginning of the pultrusion machine. Made from stainless steel sheet metal with a tubular mild steel frame. Each bath capacity is 30 liters. Mild steel racks placed before the carding stand. which hold rolls of fiberglass roving for entry into the carding stand. These racks maintain proper roving alignment and prevent roving entanglement. Auto cut saw, PLC synchronizing and accurate speed linear scale with high resolution is provided to give the accurate feedback to the cut saw and maintain the constant speed. Well-designed cut saw give accurate and right angle cutting in any size of profile. Safety environment features. Our first priority is safe handling. Fully guarded and covered drives and slideways. Fully guarded saw. Stop and emergency stop button provided to stop the machine in case of emergency. Low noise output. Technology support. In addition with the machines, Kana Composite offers to support for total solution of formulation and production to meet your product with global standard like ASTM, CTI, BS and NEFA.